Okay, for the fourth step, we're going to now start wiring our circuit. And we look at the wiring diagram that we have here, and we see that if we start on the output jack, that we want to be on the hot output, or the notched lead, and we're going to go from it to following this up to the center terminal of the volume control. You can look on your, so that's the first, this is the fourth step, and we're going to put this wire from the hot side of the output jack to the center terminal on the volume control. And so we need to take the black wire, this is going to be a black wire, and we need to strip off about 3/8 of an inch of insulation off the end of the wire. Half inch, a little more like a half inch. And then we would make the wire the length it needs to be with a little slack in it to go to the center terminal of the volume control. And so we cut that off and strip that end, and then make sure that the ends are tight. And we put this through the hole in the output jack. Oops. Maybe just cut that solder off there. Put it through that hole and make sure we bend it back so that it's hooked down there. And then we've already got our solder iron turned on so it can come up to heat. And we want to get plenty of surface of the soldering iron get this plenty hot. As much against the surface as you can. We'll get a good joint on there so that we got it. Yep. Alright, and then we need to do the same thing on the volume side. So we want to go to the center hole here, the center terminal. Slip this through here and bend this back the other way. We want to keep it tight and have no frays of the wire so that we don't short out against the other terminals. And then the same thing, we want to get enough heat on here more of the solder tip that you can get against the actual terminal, the better off. Okay, so now we've got our connection from our output jack the hot side of the output jack to the center terminal of the volume control, and that's step number 4.